So I'm going to be taking these burner covers that come 2 in a pack at the Dollar Tree, 2 of these candle holders and this pie tin, and I'm going to make a tier tray with that for fall. And I'm going to show you the color that I use, and then after I'll be decorating it. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Rust-Oleum metallic and copper today to make my tiered tray. So I've sprayed one side of the stove covers and the bottom of the pie pan I'm using, and then I also sprayed the candlestick holders, and they all have one coat. So I'll be flipping the other ones over and doing the other side, and then I'll probably do a second coat too. But that's giving you an idea of how it's coming along. So here is how my tray turned out. I am pretty happy with it. Actually, I'm really happy with it. I did use the Rust-Oleum copper metallic paint. One word of caution, it's harder for the candlesticks to adhere to the tray pieces when they're spray painted. So I didn't spray the bottoms of the candle holders. I would maybe try to avoid the tops, and then also like maybe set the candle in the middle of the tray and spray it like that if you can, so that you have a centerpiece to your tray that isn't sprayed either, because it is a little bit harder for that to adhere with the paint on it. But anyways, I'm really happy with the way it turned out, so let's go ahead and decorate it. So here is a finished shot. I really like the way the copper turned out, like I said. This is an antique little doily that was made by my husband's grandmother. And most of these items either came from Walmart or the Target dollar spot. I believe that, I cannot remember where the pumpkins came from, but most of it came from, this came from Hobby Lobby, and then this little piece back here actually I got at a craft fair, and that's a reclaimed piece of wood on that. So just kind of trying to give you a little bit of an idea of how it looks there. There's the bottom, there's the middle piece, and there's the top. And then I have it here displayed with a floral arrangement. The flower pieces are also from the Dollar Tree, and I think this little piece here is from the Christmas tree shops. Anyways, that is my copper tiered tray that I made. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more.